What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Okay, so this video is just to answer a question from one of my subscribers. You know that I am Jackie and I'm a nice person. I always want to answer all of the question on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is a question from Fishy Comics. So what screen recorder are you using to do this, and the animation arrow is from what software you are using to edit this? So this is my new tutorial about Filmora 13, how to delete unwanted part in your video. Okay, so to be honest, I teach people about Filmora 13, which is a video editing software, but all of my tutorial video on this channel are created using Camtasia, which is another video editing software. I think it is a great software for tutorial video maker or online teacher like me, because the screen recorder is better. I have full control of the mouse cursor effect, and also I can edit my video easily with the animation inside the software. Okay, so let me show you about the software. So this is my Camtasia, and currently I'm editing another video. Okay, so the title is how to get free music on YouTube using YouTube audio library and also Epidemic Sound. And you see here are all the things that I do. So this is the title with inside the media. So the media in Camtasia, we have a library where we can download all the assets from TextMate, okay, which is the developer of the software, and we can just drag and drop it onto a timeline. And we have the green screen button here with my subscribe button. And we can do pan and zoom, and we can add special effect like transition and stuff like that. And we can add mouse cursor. And sometimes if we want to add annotation, so it is the one that you are asking. So this is the annotation. We can add a box like this. So we is a box with the text inside, and we have the sketch motion. So this is the arrow, animated arrows. Okay, so these are the animated arrows and also animated square. So I think it is very simple to add it to the screen. You can just drag and drop it onto the timeline and put it at the position you want to have the arrow, like my face, right from YouTube. Like okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get. So that's easy, right? By the way, Camtasia has many other things like visual effect and transition, animation, behavior, cursor effect, and audio effect. Okay, so it's good for tutorial video maker. If you want to try Camtasia, I will put the link in the description for you. And if you want to learn more about Camtasia, just go ahead to the video right here. And if you want to purchase the license, don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so this is the code to save 10% at checkout. Alright, so that is another quick video about what software I use to create my tutorial video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye and see you again.